Hello viewers, this is Prasad. Welcome to my channel Hyderabad Blues on Cricket Analysis. After a long time I am uploading this video. To my viewers, related Independence Day wishes I am just expressing. Today I am going to talk on two topics. One is coming IPL and second is MS Dhoni and Suresh Raina's retirement. Who else might? This is what my topic today. First, let us talk about IPL. IPL management has taken decision to conduct this tournament, mega tournament. This mega tournament from September 19th to November 8th. All teams are ready with their list of the players, surplus players I can say, auction players I can say. These teams are going to clash in UAE. UAE has given 3 grounds to us. The IPL matches will be conducted on these venues, that is Dubai, Sharjah and Abu Dhabi. Please note that the condition of these pitches are different from our pitches, like Australia, South Africa, England, Sri Lanka, India, etc. Because these pitches are little bit dry and a skilled bowler or perfect batsmen need to play to the best of their abilities. The behaving of the pitch also cannot be predicted unless there is a dew factor. At least in India, we can calculate the behavior of the pitch. So if the dew factor is there while toss or after the toss, because all the matches are going to take place from afternoon to night sections. So we have observed, we have noticed while playing in India, different teams will have different strategies. On UAE grounds, know their strategies, how far they are going to meet their expectations. This is my point. Now, team point of view, if you see, they need to maintain all precautions which are required for the corona prevention, rules and regulations, and very strict on their implementations. So, a player might get disqualified also. The physical distance point of view, they need to be very strict. Even the stand, that is stadium stand, also will be off-filled. Now we need to experience a different kind of excitement with half of the crowd. That's what I feel. Now coming to the disqualification point, if any player get disqualified, there are some unsold players are there. The unsold player might also get chance to be included in the different IPL teams. 8 teams are there. Any team can opt to buy these players, unsold players, and accommodate them into their squad. This is what actually rule. And sweat or spit cannot be applied on the ball. A player cannot touch each other or hug each other and given shake hands to each other. These are the rules one need to keep in their mind. That's what the rules are all about. Spectators also need to be very careful. There will be observations on the spectators' behavior, and there will be a strictly physical distancing need to be maintained. People will be observing the crowd also. These are the points, even spectators' point of view, and the franchisee and players also need to follow. In these conditions, let us hope for the safe and proper tournament in UAE conditions. That's what my points. Now, second point of my topic today, MS Dhoni has given his long awaited retirement decision. Though he has given retirement from all the formats of the game, he will be playing IPL. That's what actually he has got an agreement with the IPL team. His franchisee Chennai Super Kings. That means still he can lead the team Chennai Super Kings and participate in IPL for a couple of years. This was the news in prior to Corona. That's what actually news. Now in his path, Suresh Raina also has given his decision to retire from the all formats of the game. And remember, both are from the same team, IPL team, that is Chennai Super Kings. Now my other point is who else? As per my analysis, even Ravichandran Ashwin also very soon is going to give his retirement. That's what I feel. Because this is number of opportunities is getting to play in Indian squad under the captaincy of Virat Kohli, under the management of Ravi Shastri, keeping in his inclusion and exclusion from the team. Before last year also, if you see number of matches Ravichandran Ashwin got chance to play. For seeing all these points into consideration, I feel Ravichandran Ashwin also might announce his retirement at the earliest. That's what I feel. Thank God, same thing is not applicable to Ravindra Jadeja, though he is one of the team members of MS Dhoni. Because of his performances before this Corona lockdown days, he was there. He became almost a regular member of the Indian squad. That's what we could see. Very all the best to Ravindra Jadeja. Still, he will get chances. But one point I would like to add before closing my video is there are so many players because of the Dhoni had to wait in the list, like Parthiv Patel, a senior most player as far as Test is concerned. Dinesh Karthik, Robin Uthappa. These players actually missed to represent India team because of the Dhoni's performance, Dhoni's inclusion in the team. Definitely Dhoni might be a better player than these players, but Dhoni, because of Dhoni's long innings with the Indian squad, these people got less number of opportunity. That's what I can say. Now two players are there in the regular squad now. Vriddhiman Saha and KL Rahul. These people's performance is satisfying, I can say. These people are there as a regular players now in Indian squad. Both are young players. Vriddhiman Saha nature is to represent Test squad when compared to one day. But KL Rahul definitely is suitable for all the formats of the game. That's what I can feel. Even then, Dhoni's decision has come. At least these players like Robin Uthappa, Dinesh Karthik and Parthiv Patel, if they get couple of chances for the last time to represent the Indian team, even they might also announce their retirement in near future. That's what I feel. With this point, bye one and all. Thank you.